The e-learning market value is growing exponentially every day, and it's going to be one of the biggest markets of this decade. Now, the e-learning model has changed the world. It has changed the way how people learn and acquire new skills. And with this, the teaching industry has also changed forever. Now, you're not bound to an area or a location to sell your courses. If you have created a new course, you can sell it anywhere in the world. Well, there's nothing new you don't know already. You have already seen and been using websites like Udemy or Coursera, which are selling courses worldwide. They are selling courses in every country. Now, on these websites, you might have noticed one thing. If you buy a course from India, you see the currency in rupee and popular payment gateways on their checkout page. And if someone opens it in UK or US, the currency changes to euro or dollar, and the payment gateway also changes depending on their country. So this simple option has been used by every popular edtech website. And using this, these companies have increased their revenue by 20-fold. So if you are in India, you might not buy a product if you are given the option to pay in dollars. You are comfortable paying in INR and through your UPI app. Therefore, if you are planning to do business in other countries, the multi-currency feature is must for you. Now in this video, you are going to learn how to implement this multi-currency option on your website and sell your courses anywhere in the world. You don't need any technical knowledge to implement this option. Just follow this video till the end and you will do just fine. Go to your website and log in as an admin. Once you log in, hover over your website name and enter into your WordPress dashboard. At the bottom, you will see an option to add a new plugin. Hover over the plugin area and click on add new and then upload plugin. Choose the file we have just downloaded and click on install now. Now click on activate plugin. Firstly, we'll set up the default currency of the website using which you upload your default products and services. Now for that, go to Woocommerce settings. Woocommerce is a plugin. It's a free one which we use to manage the payments. And at the bottom, there's the option. So by default, I have selected USD. You can choose any other currency. So how this is useful, if you are creating IELTS courses or you are creating IELTS module, IELTS LMS courses section has option to add a module. So here we have a course bundle for the academic 30 test, and here we see the option to set the price of the entire module. Now if you choose USD here, you will be given an option to set pricing in USD. If you change the currency to INR or any of your local currency, then IELTS courses default currency will also be changed. So set up your default currency in which you want to set up the prices of all the IELTS courses. Now we are ready to set up the other currencies. Now on the left side in the Woocommerce, we have Woocommerce currency settings, and here we have option to add the currency, and here we can add other country currencies. So I'm going to add Indian rupees. So automatically it will add another column wherein we can set the pricing. To check the price, you can search it on Google, USD to INR. So you can set the rate here. If you want website to change the prices automatically, you can use exchange type and set up the API here. The same way we can add more currencies. So I'm going to add euro. The value of euro is 0.94 and I'm going to paste it here. Once you have added all the currencies, at the bottom there's an option to enable the switcher on the website. You can either add it on the left or on the right. So I'm going to choose right and click on save changes. Now go to your website and see if this option has been enabled. Now on our website, we have two currencies. One is in INR, second one is euro, and default is USD. If I go to the checkout page, it's showing currency in rupee. If I choose USD, it will change and convert the value to USD, and the same way it's working with euro. Secondly, if we want website to detect the user location automatically, for that we can set the location API, and this plugin gives an option For that, there is the option to add location API. So you can create a free API here. So click on this link and it will take you to this website, IP API, and you can create an account and copy your API key and paste it here. So what it does, it will automatically check the location of the user and change the default currency automatically. Secondly, we want to change the payment gateway according to the person location. If someone is buying from India, he will see option to buy it from credit card and UPI. On the right side of the currency, we have the option to hide the payment gateway. So I want to hide PayPal in India because nobody uses PayPal in India, and someone is trying in Euro, then we are hiding in Samozo here. So people who are outside India will see option to pay using PayPal, and people who are in India will see option to pay through in Samozo. And then click on save changes. So if I click INR option to pay, I will only see an option to pay through in Samozo. And if I switch back to Euro or USD, I will see option to pay through PayPal. Now, depending on each country, you can add other payment gateway as well. WordPress has option to add multiple payment gateways. I have added 2 payment gateways only on my website. One is PayPal and second one is Insamozo. And if you want to add more payment gateways here, you can search the name of the company here. For that, you need merchant account for each payment gateway. The same way you can add Razorpay, or if you have Apple Pay or Google Pay option, you can add those payment gateways as well. So this way you can set up currencies you want to display on your website and payment gateways respectively. Now you're ready to offer these services globally. Apply these options on your website and share your growth with us. I will see you in the next video.